Now we're going to learn about the order property. We're learning about item properties. We've learned about container properties. Now we're learning about item properties. This is a flex item property. It's the order property. The values you can give it any integer. So that means like positive or negative whole numbers. So you could give it a -1 if you want. And look, here's the order. It puts the 1 stuff first, the 2, the 3. So for each flex item, right, you could say with a declaration, the property is order, the value is -1 or the value is 3. And then it just sequentially puts them in order. If it's a row like this, or if it's column like this. So we could do things like this code right here where I have A, B, C, D, whatever, all the way up through N. And my body is a flex container and flex flow column wrap, right? And so that's going to give me ABCD all the way through N, and I'm just formatting my div. But I could come in and same code, I could change the order, and I could say N is going to be 1, M is going to be 2, L3 all the way down through A is 14. That's going to reverse everything. N is now at the top because I said the order of N is 1. The order of M is 2. So that's kind of a convoluted way to get order. And I'm going to reformat my code here. Code, reformat code. Control-Alt-L is the shortcut. Control-Alt-L. Brought it all over. The next one is I could accomplish the same thing, right? Instead of just having column wrap right here for my CSS, same CSS, I could have column reverse. So just another way to change order. You should be aware of that. So the next one, same HTML. What did I do here? I just gave order to N, M, L, and K. And I said those are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is all going to fall ahead of everything else. N, M, L, K. So if something has order specified, then it gets put in front of things which don't have order specified. Since I specified order on N, M, L, K, those go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and everything else comes after it. If I specify things with the same order, right, N and L both have the same order now, then what it'll do is it will put N and L in front, and it puts them in the order in which they appear in the source code, the HTML. So LN, so L and N are first, and since they appear L first, N first, right? They tied in what position they're going in, and so they just follow the order in the HTML at that point. Order is pretty straightforward. So here's just an example of order 2, 3, 1, but in the code, I have them laid out 1, 2, 3. And then in the CSS, I say uno is 3, dos is 1, tres is 2. So I just changed the order of 1, 2, 3, right? I changed it. So yeah, you get the idea. All right, so that's order. Totally straightforward. Play with it until you feel comfortable with it.